So currently I have these tools made by CNC machining. Can anybody tell me why there can be such a big difference? 15mm, 14.5, supposed to be 14.75. This angle on the bike should be 20 degrees and 6 degrees. I've measured it and it is 15 degrees flat on bike. So let's go on my 40-year-old milling machine and sort that out first. So 6-degree angle on the swivel and tilt vise, 20-degree angle on the turret. So the thickness should be 14.75. Most of them are 15mm. So 1/10,000th of an inch or 0.25mm. I have these made in quantities of 50, but I have an urgent order for 20, so just 20 to make. So the next ones are a mirror image of the ones I've just done practically. So the back should be the same, so you'd think the same program. Can you see the difference? So I'll correct them now. Twenty of those to do. So now that part's done. They're all the same on bike, but now the radius on the bike, the corners, it's almost square. So I'll do them at 45 degrees and then just round the corners off on grinder so they'll look like that. That's after 45 degrees. That's before. So after I've checked that the length and the width are all the same, and I've set the machine and done the first one, they will all be the same. That's it, with all of them. On this one, the screw enters the bike, but there's no lead for the screw. So I have to just do this to them, simple, by just touching on by hand this. So they can get one right, but not the other, and it's exactly the same principle. 3mm guide for the screw, none on that one. These have a 7-degree angle in the pocket. This one's okay, 7-degree taper on it. This one is just a straight milled in pocket with no 7 degrees. So I've just paid for 50 of those and they're all scrap, can't use them. 3mm thread, not deep enough for the screw to fit inside. Re-tap them all out. Right, so this order is ready now. Heat treated, blacked, oiled, and on the way to Singapore. That's this order complete. Now I have another one, a little bit smaller order, ready to go to America.